Let's solve part B now. So suppose that the good is public. What's going to be the socially efficient level of consumption? Well, let's see. If the good is public, it means they both consume the same amount because they both consume the same good, meaning that the quantity for N is going to be equal to the quantity of Ben. In other words, when we're going to calculate that level, we're not going to make any distinction between the quantities, so that the marginal utility of N plus the marginal utility of Ben must be equal to the marginal cost. Now, with that said, what's that going to be? Well, we will have 50 minus the quantity, 50 minus the quantity, because remember, we're not making any distinction between N and Ben, plus the marginal utility of Ben, which is 70 minus Q, so that's going to be 70 minus Q, and the marginal cost is just going to be this function. It's going to be 2 times the total quantity, so it's 2 times Q. Now, with that said, what's this gonna give us? 50 plus 70 is 120, minus Q is minus 2Q, is equal to the other 2Q. So 120 is equal to 4Q. 120 is going to be equal to 4Q over here because we take this one to the right side, meaning that the quantity of the public good is going to be equal to 30 units. So they both consume 30 units each. Hope this makes sense, and we are done.